Hello, my stylish friends. Today, I want to introduce you to one of the trendiest and most searched fashion pieces of 2025. This outfit is truly a must-have and super unique. You can wear it for literally any occasion: a family or friends party, a cozy cafe hangout, dreamy summer trips, or even a special photo shoot out in nature. Want to know why everyone's talking about it? Let's dive in. All right, my stylish friends, before we jump into the tutorial, let me quickly tell you the name of this piece. In the sewing world, it's usually called a lace bomber jacket or a zippered lace top. But in the fashion world, you'll find it under trendy names like lace bomber jacket, sheer lace jacket, or transparent zipper lace top. And these are actually some of the hottest search terms right now. Now we're getting to the exciting part. To sew this design, we first need to start with the basic bodice block. Think of it as the blueprint where all the changes in styling happen. So if you already have your basic block ready, grab it and follow along with me step by step. And if you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll give you a quick overview here, but I've also uploaded a full, detailed tutorial on drafting the bodice block, available exclusively on my channel. So if you'd like to learn all the details and techniques, make sure to check that video out. For now, we'll move ahead using the prepared block. Not a subscriber yet? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our exclusive tutorials, fashion hacks, and behind-the-scenes tips. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Soon. Now let's remove the bust dart from this pattern. First, divide the dart into 2 equal parts. Close the upper half into the armhole and eliminate it. Here's a very important note. When we use this method, the armhole height increases by exactly half the bust dart amount. So we must add that same amount back into the shoulder slope. Otherwise, the front armhole will become too loose and lose its shape. Next, take the lower half of the dart and close it towards the side seam. Then redraw the hemline of the pattern. And that's how the bodice without a dart is ready. This design, with its unique mix of feminine lace fabric and the sporty bomber jacket cut, is one of the top search trends on Google and YouTube for 2024 to 2025 in the chic casual jackets category. And here's the interesting part. The exact details, crew neckline, center zipper, and sheer lace sleeves, are currently among the best sellers at major fashion retailers like ASOS, Nordstrom, and Zalando. I'm super curious. Where are you watching this video from? Drop your country or city in the comments. I'd love to get to know you better. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you'll be the first to catch all my new sewing and fashion tips. No secrets missed. Since the style of this lace bomber jacket is designed to be a bit loose, we need to adjust the pattern with a few modifications. First, Increase the side seams of both the front and back bodice by 2 sizes larger. This gives the garment a relaxed, comfortable fit. I've already made this adjustment. Second, raise the armhole height by 1 centimeter in both the front and back patterns. This adds extra ease for movement. And don't forget, bottom line B's adjustments. The 2 centimeter ease at the sides and the 1 centimeter at the armhole must also be applied when drafting the sleeve, so the armhole and sleeve match perfectly. The length of this lace bomber jacket usually falls right at the waistline or just slightly below. The international standard for this style is 55 to 62 centimeters, and that's exactly what most top fashion brands produce as well. That's why it's often referred to as a modern cropped style, trendy, chic, and very much in fashion. For the hem of this lace bomber jacket, we use a fitted rib knit band to give the garment a cleaner, more flattering shape. As you saw, the ribbing is cut about 4 centimeters smaller than the blouse hem width. This difference lets the rib knit pull in slightly, making the jacket sit neatly on the body. For the hem, cuffs, and neckline, you can use rib knit fabric. And if you'd like a shinier, more glamorous touch, you can also choose a stretch lame fabric, which adds a stylish finish while keeping the fit nice and snug. To design the neckline for this lace bomber jacket, we'll use a crew neck style finished with rib knit. First, measure the neckline of both the front and back patterns with a tape measure. Then, subtract about 2 centimeters from this measurement to account for the stretch of the rib knit. With this adjusted number, draft the rib band pattern so the neckline sits neat, clean, and fitted on the body. And remember, the rib band is cut on 2 folded layers of rib knit, and the measurement you're working with represents half of the neckline circumference. Have you tried creating your own personalized pattern and sewing a garment with my method? I'd love to hear your thoughts. How did your outfit fit with the Garifrance method? Drop me a comment. Your feedback means so much to me, and it also helps others see whether this method really works. Some of our friends have already made their outfits with this pattern, and we're super happy with the results. Now I'm excited to know your experience too. By the way, an important note. I've already created a full step-by-step tutorial on drafting the basic bodice block, and it's available exclusively for channel members. In that video, I explain all the details and tricks for every size. So if you want to take your pattern making skills to a more professional level, make sure to join and get access to that exclusive tutorial. Main fabric, lace or guipure lace, chosen for its transparent, delicate texture and floral patterns. This fabric gives the bomber jacket a chic, feminine look. Lining, optional for some styles, light mesh tulle or plain chiffon, used to finish the inside neatly and control the transparency of the lace. The lining helps the garment hold its shape and makes it more comfortable to wear. You don't have to stick to lace with this pattern. Autumn fabrics like knits, French terry, melange jersey, heavy cotton lycra, rib knit, light wool, or even suede are fantastic options too. With these fabrics, you can create stylish bomber blouses or jackets perfect for fall and spring. This pattern is truly versatile. Just change the fabric and you'll have a completely fresh style for every season. By the way, I've got a little autumn surprise for you. At the end of this video, I'll show you this design made with gorgeous fall fabrics. Trust me, you're gonna love it. So stick around until the very end. By the way, I already shared another tutorial very similar to this one on my channel, and trust me, you're gonna love it. It's packed with secret tips and tiny tricks that most professional tailors would never want you to know. Comment, make sure to check it out later. It might just open up a whole new world for you. I designed the sleeve cuff in a loose style, but if you prefer it fitted or just slightly loose like in this model, first, measure around your wrist snugly. Then, add only 2 centimeters to that measurement for comfort and ease. This way, the sleeve cuff will fit exactly the way you want it to. This design uses a metal or nylon zipper at the center front. It must be an open-end zipper, separating zipper, the type that separates completely at the bottom and reconnects with a slider. This is essential for bomber jackets, as the garment needs to open fully at the front. Regular closed-end zippers that stay joined at the bottom cannot be used because they don't allow the jacket to separate completely. Fabric requirements for sewing a lace bomber blouse. Sizes 38 to 42, Mal L, about 1.30 to 1.50 meters of lace, 150 centimeters width. If using fabric with 45-inch width, approximately 115 centimeters, you'll need more, about 2 to 2.5 yards. About 30 centimeters of rib knit for neckline, cuffs, and hem. Optional lining, about 1.25 meters of chiffon or lightweight lining fabric. Larger sizes XL to 2XL, up to 1.75 meters of lace, 150 centimeters width. Rib knit and lining slightly more depending on the design. Now, I'm attaching the lower pattern piece to the hemline of the blouse pattern. The reason for this is that I want to design the pocket bag, and it should not extend below the hem of the blouse. This way, the pocket stays neatly within the garment's length, giving a clean finish and avoiding issues during sewing. Blunt casual chic, styled with jeans and a white t-shirt, perfect for cafes, shopping, or a casual hangout. This look is very popular on Pinterest and street style. Smart casual, styled with tailored pants or a pencil skirt, great for creative work environments, business meetings, or evening get-togethers. Party style, layered over a simple midi dress, ideal for parties, birthdays, or semi-formal events. Overall, this design blends the feminine delicacy of lace with the modern sporty vibe of a bomber jacket, making it versatile for many occasions. Why is this design suitable for almost every body shape? Hourglass shape. Perfect, as it highlights the waistline. Pear shape balances proportions by making the upper body look fuller. Rectangle shape, lace details and ribbing add more shape to the body. Inverted triangle, the crew neckline keeps shoulders from looking wider. Apple shape, works better with a straight hem or looser ribbing instead of a tight waistband. Sizing, thanks to the rib knit and zipper, this design easily works from XS to 2XL, which is also the standard size range offered by major fashion brands in Europe and the US. Bottom line, this jacket is not only flattering on different body shapes, but it's also a versatile and popular option in the global market. Let me tell you a little secret. This bomber jacket looks absolutely stunning when paired with a simple chic dress or even a minimal strappy top. I've already shared full tutorials on both. Go check them out, you'll love it. Now it's your turn. Me and so many others here would love to know, how would you style this bomber jacket to create a chic, unique look? Drop your ideas in the comments. You might even see your style featured in one of my next videos. Loved this tutorial? Don't miss the next one. Did you know you can sew another gorgeous style with the same pattern? Check it out here. 10. See you in this video. It's packed with even more secret tips.